Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can change the font style in your documents on Microsoft Word really quickly. So let us dive into this. Alright, head over to your document on Microsoft Word and let me add or type an example text like this here, test 1, 2, 3, 4, just like that. So if you highlight that text, you will be given the opportunity to customize it using these features here. Alternatively, guys, you may simply head over to the Home tab here at the top and pay attention to the font section here. So once you have highlighted your text, simply customize your text by, for example, applying bold letters by using this button here, or by using the shortcut Control B, or italic letters, underlined, strike through, and so on and so forth. You may also change the font here by clicking on that arrow down icon and choose one of the supported fonts from that list here on Microsoft Word. Like, let me go, for example, with that one here, pretty fancy. And after that, also adjust the font size, like 12 is usually the default size, but you may go with, for example, 24, something like that. And that's basically it. Now, if you'd like to keep customizing, guys, you may, for example, change the font color by clicking on that arrow down icon here and select a custom font color and so on and so forth. Then you may switch between uppercase and lowercase here, just like that. Okay, if the given font doesn't support lower uppercase, you won't be able to do this, but usually you should be able to switch from lower to uppercase and vice versa here. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time.